You can make more than $2,000 per day on YouTube, as one of my YouTuber friends is making right now, by just re-uploading movie clips on YouTube. And I am going to show you in this video how you can start making money by re-uploading movie clips on YouTube without any copyright, and start making thousands of dollars per day. This video is step by step the whole process of how to upload movie clips on YouTube without copyright. You just have to copy and paste the steps and strategies as shown in this video to make money on YouTube. And if you treat it as a cash cow YouTube business model, then you can make as much money as you want. But before we proceed, be sure to subscribe for discovering new online income opportunities daily. Now you can see that this is the YouTube channel that uses the same strategy and gained 623 million views by just uploading 334 videos. And in this current month, it gained 19.3 million views by uploading 18 videos. And almost every day it gained nearly 800,000 to 1 million views right now. This channel is in the same movie re-uploading niche, and I am going to reveal the channel name later in the video. I think you understand how much potential this niche has and how much money you can make from these videos. And you can do this easily because I will show you step by step where to find the movie clips, where to get the audio done for the movies, how to edit the movies to avoid copyright claims, and almost everything. Let's begin with the first step, which is to choose the appropriate movie to reupload. Go to youtube.com and then go to Explore page. After that, head to the movies or to a show. This will show all of the movies that have recently been released, as well as those that are currently trending on YouTube. You can select any of them that has a high number of views in a short period of time. You may also go to the website Box Office Mojo. This is an American website that lists all of the top movies, as well as how much each movie earns throughout the life of its production. This website will present you with a list of movies that are currently popular, which will help you to a better YouTube video idea for making videos on YouTube. From here, you can see the list of the top 22 movies. If you go to indices, it will show you the list of top box office movies of all time. All of these movies have done very well in the past and are still capable of generating high CPM ads on YouTube, allowing you to earn more money per 1,000 views. So, from these two options, you can choose movies for your YouTube videos. We're back to the channel I previously showed you. Just look at their videos. Each of them has got between 300 and 400,000 views. Basically, they use movie clips to summarize any movie in 10 to 15 minutes. Most people enjoy watching movies, but in today's busy world, they don't have the time to see the complete 2 to 3 hour movie. That is why people enjoy this type of channel, since it allows them to understand the fundamental ideas of the movie. The name of this channel is Movie Recaps. You may also check out this channel once you've finished watching this video to see how they're working on it. You're probably wondering how I can summarize a movie. So, in the next step, I'll show you. The second step is to find a perfect summary of any movie we want. I will explain this step with an example of the movie, The Batman 2022. It is an American superhero film based on the DC Comics character Batman. Just search on Google for the Batman summary, and Google will show you a list of websites. From them, go to this website called imdb.com. This is the official site of Amazon company, and here you will find the best summary of any movie. Here, you can see spoilers. Spoilers mean a short explanation of the movie. From here, you will get your video script. You can use this script for your video as a Batman 2022 movie summary. But if you just copy and paste the same script, then chances are you may get a copyright claim on your YouTube videos. What you need to do is, you need to open a website called Quillbot. This is Quillbot, which is an AI paraphraser website. This website will help you rewrite the summary within a minute. Simply copy and paste a paragraph from this page, then click on Paraphrase. And as you can see, it will completely paraphrase your entire paragraph. I recommend that you copy and paste this again so that it creates a unique paragraph for us. Simply copy and paste this into a Word document or Google Docs file. You can rewrite the entire summary in this manner, but I'm simply copying and pasting it here now. You should now verify this article for plagiarism. For this, go to copyscape.com. It is a really good plagiarism checking website. Here, you need to sign up, and then log in and then just copy the whole paragraph and paste it over here, and it will show you the plagiarism score. If you find any plagiarism, then you can rewrite the article again using quillbot.com. Now in the third step, you need to voice over the article. This is quite simple. Simply use a good quality microphone to read the entire article professionally. If you are unable to voice over yourself, you may hire a voiceover artist from a website, such as Fiverr.com. Simply look for a voiceover artist on Fiverr, and you will see that many expert freelancers provide this service. You can listen to their voice samples and hire the one who appears professional. In case you have a budget issue, I recommend limiting this search to a maximum of, say, $10. Now, Fiverr will show you all of the services that cost no more than $10. You may select any one from these services and hire a freelancer to record the voiceover for you. If you don't want to spend money, text-to-speech voices are an option. However, I do not suggest it. This website provides text-to-speech voices and is powered by Google Cloud. See, it says, convert text into natural-sounding speech using an API by the best Google AI technologies. Go to this demo option from there. Then you need to paste your script paragraph here. Then you must choose the voices you want for your script. Then click on Speak It, and it will start reading the script. Many YouTubers use text-to-speech voices in their videos. However, sometimes YouTube creators faces an issue with monetizing the content with text-to-speech voices. I do not suggest it. Hire someone from Fiverr if possible, or use your own voice. Now the final step is downloading copyright-free movie clips. I will show you how, but before that, if you feel you have gotten value, consider subscribing and giving this video a like. To download movie clips, go to youtube.com and search for, say, Batman movie clips. Then you must filter your search to Creative Commons videos. Creative Commons videos are ones in which the owners of the content do not grant any copyright. And from YouTube, you can get enough video clips for making a 10-minute summary video. This website will help us in downloading all of the movie clips from YouTube to your device. Simply paste the video URL into this box. You will be able to discover enough movie clips for your videos this way. But remember to remove the audio from these videos during editing. I suggest you add the flip effect to these clips while editing. The flip effects help the clips to look different from their original ones. If you follow this, chances are you won't get copyright, as the Movie Recaps channel won't get any copyright on their videos, and get millions of views every month. I suggest you go and study this channel deeply, and its videos, how they made their videos, research them, and you will get a clear understanding of how to make this kind of video on YouTube. Now I want to show you something very important, which will clear your doubts about copyright on re-uploading movie clips on YouTube. We are currently on YouTube's copyright policy page. From this page, select the option Fair Use. From this page, you can read their fair use policy. Here, we will be doing the commentary over the movie clips, and according to the YouTube fair use policy, which you can read here, works of commentary come under fair use. I hoped now you understand you won't get any copyright if you follow all the steps perfectly that I am showing in this video. You now have everything you need to create a movie summary video. What you must do is take action and start earning money online. If you want more videos on how to make money online, then be sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon. Now, go ahead, watch my next video, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.